Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at today's top 40. Actually, it's from number 30 to number 31 to 40. So let's get straight into it. Wait, hang on. Because it's already the 1st of December. So yeah, because it's Christmas. Christmas is coming. So we're gonna turn on the Christmas mood. Merry Christmas, everybody. Ho ho ho. So hopefully we get a Christmas rally and everybody is happy. Happy. Alright, we're gonna start with Quant. So for Quant against BTC, I don't know what's happening with Quant. We're above the skinny pink line though. So the bullish trend is still on. The only thing is that there are no clear tradable chart patterns for Quant. So we're not really sure what the Quant whales are trying to do. Right. Yeah, we're not sure. But all we know is that Quant is in a bullish trend against BTC. Quant against USDT. Yeah, the thing about Quant against USDT is that there was a very nice inverse head and shoulders over here. Left shoulder, hit, right shoulder, we're out. Right, we burst out, but then we slam back down. And now we're already under the support. So this is just not ideal. And so, yeah, we are also touching the skinny pink line. So there is a danger that because this could turn into a head and shoulders, we could be heading lower for Quant against USDT. So I'd be very, very careful, very cautious about rushing into a trade for Quant. Ooh. You see this? We could still drop to 0.618 though, right? Because there's a wick here. Zoop. So we might just fall a little bit, hit 0.618 and start turning back up. Ooh, we could do something like that for Quant. Not too sure, but we're touching the skinny pink line. So this is, it's just not bullish, we had a rally, and hopefully, when we see rallies, we want it to stay above the skinny pink line. And then, more likely than not, there could be a continuation higher. However, we're back down, so that's just not ideal. In terms of our tradability, Quant is a no-go. Moving on would be Cronos, because we already did Elrond yesterday. So we're going to move on with Cronos. Cronos against BTC. We look at it on KuCoin. So for KuCoin, look at its chart patterns. Descending triangle, collapse. Mountain range of sorts, a variety of mountain ranges. Pump, we collapse again. Is it looking good? Nope. There's a cluster of stop sell here, which I think is gonna get taken out. So the wheels are probably gonna pull CRO lower. Right, I don't think we're gonna stop here. So things are just not really looking perky for CRO, not at this point of time. But there's a potential that we could do something like that, right? This whole thing could be an A. We rise up for a B, come down for a C, D, E, boom, crypto.com coin recovers. But again, we're still not too sure ourselves, right? We would love to see the chart pattern emerge first. Even for CRO against USDT, I could already count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The end is not too far away. If I am not mistaken, the end is not too far away. The only question we have is this the bottom? I don't know. I don't think so. Again, is this the bottom? It's too close. This is just too close. So I think the crypto.com wheels might pull the price a little bit lower before heading higher. So yeah, be very, very careful about going to a trade too soon for CRO, because I think that there could still be more downside. The thing is, we are out of targets. We actually had a target over here, which we've already hit. And yeah, moving on would be near against BTC. So for near against BTC, yeah, could there be another move lower? Possibly. But for near, we've already hit targets over here. Ta-da! We have no more targets towards the downside. We are severely oversold, so there should be some sort of a rally soon. But the only question we have is when? When is this rally coming? When? Tell me, when will you be mine? Near against USDT. Tell me quando. Again, we are also out of targets. We've gotten targets over here. 2 targets. We've hit both targets. Are we gonna drop a little bit lower? Maybe. There's a noisy area over here. So we might just pop down to the noisy area. We might even go to sub 1 though. We're so close to sub 1. So yeah, the danger is that there could still be more downside to come for NEO against USDT. I don't see the buying pressure pushing the price higher for NEO. Yes, there's a rally, but this is such a baby rally, right? I mean, compared to this, right? This is so volatile. It's so bullish. This is like, meh. Moving on would be Where's near? Filecoin against BTC. Yeah, Filecoin doesn't really look good. You know, there was a spike out, pew, but then we got pulled back down, right? So this is not the kind of move that we want to see. Every time we see a spike, we want it to be sustainable, right? And we keep going higher, consolidate higher, right? We don't want to see things like pew, and then we get pulled all the way back down, even past square one, right? We get a spike coming in, but I have a strange feeling we could get pulled all the way back down past square one as well. So this is just not ideal. You want it to be up and up and up and up. Up only, not just down, 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 right? Up and then all the way back down. It's like, what a waste of effort, right? Filecoin against USDT. Yeah, we have a target here, $2.40. The bearish trend is still very strong. Are we severely oversold? Yes. Could there be some sort of a rally soon? Yes. So the only question we have is, when is this rally coming? When? Where? When? We don't know. We still have a target over here at $2.40. So the danger is still there that there could still be more downside. This looks to me like a consolidation for more downside, right? But again, I would not be opening shots at this area because we're severely oversold. There could be a sudden buying pressure pushing the price higher. So yeah, at this point of time, I'll just be patient. You know, I'll sit at the side, be patient, and wait for the Filecoin wheels to do their thing. Moving on would be Filecoin. What's that? ApeCoin. Ape against USDT. Yeah, I don't know what's happening with Ape. This is just not too clear for me. Could this be some sort of a falling channel? Yes. Yes, it's some sort of a falling channel. We are not too sure how much lower things are going to go. Yeah, there's nothing at the top there. So I'm just gonna leave it halfway. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully we drop another 1, 5. The 5 may not be just like that. The 5 may be another big wave down, right? We may take out the lows over here, and it's still a valid 5, and then pump. We break higher. Best case scenario for Ape USDT. Ape BTC, yeah, Ape BTC is still going sideways, which is good. This is something that you want to see. But in terms of our tradability, there are just no clear tradable chart patterns for Ape BTC. So again, I'll be very careful about rushing into a trade too soon for ApeCoin. VeChain against BTC. Yeah, we're still under the skinny pink line. We're still buyers bearish, but we actually touched the skinny pink line here. Pew. Then we had a small little dip. Again, how much lower are we going to dip? We have no idea. Any clear tradable chart patterns? No, none at all. None at all. We actually had a very nice trade over here for VeChain against was it Bitcoin? Yeah, I think we took a trade for VeChain Bitcoin 224. I think I had a target over here long time ago in the old YouTube channel, which YouTube for some lame reason removed it. Because I never changed the way I do things. It's still the same. What you're seeing right now is what I did previously, and I got banned for it for some funny reason. Anyway, yeah, so this is VeChain right now. We're not too sure what VeChain is trying to do against BTC. VeChain against USDT. Yeah, we still have 2 targets towards the downside, so things aren't really looking that good. We are expecting it to drop to the 0.618 level, right? There is a little cluster of stop sell over here, so we might just fall a bit lower before heading higher, right? So this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 wave completion. Perfect. Yeah, again, we're still not really sure. So if you want to go along, I wouldn't recommend it. I wouldn't recommend going short as well, because things just aren't really that clear for VeChain at this point of time. So be very, very careful about rushing into anything for VeChain. Not at this point of time. HBAR against BTC. So this is HBAR. HBAR is not looking good. Right, we actually spotted this way back in 2022, early 2022. We were like, okay, every time we rally, we get pulled down, pulled down to the support again and again and again. And eventually, we broke the support, and there was a dip lower. And now we are actually forming a continuation chart pattern to dip even lower. We have a target over here at 170 for HBAR, and we're expecting the target to eventually hit. And that is HBAR for you. We have another target towards the downside for HBAR USDT as well at sub 4 cents. Right now we're at 5 freaking cents. And this is looking to me like a continuation chart pattern. So more downside is still being expected for HBAR against USDT. But my fear is that if you were to drop towards the sub 4 cent level, we are too close to this. So we might see another dip lower, right? To take out all the lows over here to sub 3 cents. Yeah, so HBAR is just not really looking that good. Not at this point of time. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Hedera hash graph. Flow against BTC. We look at it on Binance. What's this? Down, 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 down. Any sign of life? Yeah. There's actually a sign of life here, right? You see this rally, but we get pulled all the way back down. So there is actually interest at these levels, right? We might, form new all-time lows, but I suspect that eventually, this is a preparation for the eventual rise in 2024. I suspect. Doesn't mean it's gonna happen. Flow against USDT. Again, no clear tradable chart patterns for flow against USDT. So I'd be very, very careful about rushing into anything for flow. ICP, Internet Computer. We still have a target over here, 2060. There was a zip down, but again, nothing, nothing clear for ICP against Bitcoin. Things still look pretty bearish to me. Mountain range over here, very clear mountain range. We broke it, and yeah, more downside is actually expected for ICP BTC. ICP USDT. Yeah, we still have a target over here, $3.30. So again, this looks to me like a continuation chart pattern. I can already count potentially 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I feel like the end is not too far away though. We are very likely in the final wave. But of course, this all depends upon BTC. If BTC collapses, then yeah, ICP is not going to do well as well. So we shall see, right? Multiverse Elrond. Let's check out Multiverse Elrond. EGLD against BTC. Any tradable chart pattern? Nope. But EGLD is actually moving sideways, which is good. But although it's a higher high, so again, we might pop down a little bit, take out all the stop sells over here before going back up. Consolidate, boom, we go higher. Best case scenario, best bullish case scenario. Elrond against USDT. Yeah, it's not looking good. Again, we still don't have any clear targets for Elrond against USDT. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. More likely than not, we should be forming another new local low. I don't think this is the final low, right? You can see it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There should be another one. So we are in the midst of heading towards targets. Probably. Okay. Let me see. $30 maybe? I can't say for sure. The point is we just don't have any targets. We're expecting more downside, but this is not a tradable chart pattern. So yeah, hopefully once it ends, we could see some sort of a reversal for Elrond. Hopefully, but yeah, we still don't see it yet. So yep, that's my take for the top 40. Number 30 to number 40. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!